you have any questions, feel free. Yes.
So since there's a lack of what is the case?
So senior secondary schools, Cape Coast is known for having the largest number of senior secondary schools anywhere in the country. We've got 18. So people come from all over Ghana to attend school here. So those children, if they were fortunate enough, would go to one of those senior secondary schools. Now, and they apply for it, they have a test. And then the other thing is not just they're applying, is that they have to be able to afford to go to school because it's boarding school, okay? We have boarding here. In fact, we have 2 students that are currently boarding at our school. We have facilities for 20 students. So, you know, when people talk about education being free, there is no such thing as a free education. They say you don't pay tuition, but if tuition only costs 25 Ghana cedis, and you have to have shoes, uniforms, books, and all the rest of that, education is not free. So our school runs primarily on sponsorship. We have private individuals who sponsor our children. We get contributions on an annual basis. It's not enough, but we do the best that we can, and we constantly solicit for more sponsors. The thing is that sponsorship is not the kind of sponsorship where you get a vague picture of a child. Through our sponsorship program, we want you to know the child that you're sponsoring, so that you establish a relationship, a family relationship with that child and with that child's family.
Any other questions?
Anyone have any other questions? Let me see the brochure so I can tell you how this is how sponsorship works. If you decide that you would like to sponsor a child,
Right now, the sponsorship per child is pretty well taking care of what we need our general funds. Okay?
okay. So it's in terms of sponsorship. Right now, as director of performing sponsorship for children, is pretty much taken care of for this year. What we do need is sponsorship for other activities. We need contributions towards our bus and other supplies and things like that for the school. Salaries, we got to pay people for work. Okay, so just let me pass out some sponsorship brochures. And if you know anybody in America that wants to give away a bus, we'll take it.